This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Watches of Switzerland Group PLC, a UK luxury watch retailer listed on LSE PLC under the ticker WOSG.L. This is educational information and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds before buying. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker WOSG.L to find the listing. Confirm the company name in the search results to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Check the name, ticker, and recent price action to confirm this is the Watches of Switzerland listing. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the market opens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. For convenience, the demonstration broker link is in the description if you want to explore the platform.